So here we are with our complete bare faces. I hope you already know her since you've met her in my one of my last video. So we are like really excited. I know this video is going to be quite exciting and funny for all of you out there, but not really funny for us since we are going to put our face at a risk, isn't it?
Yes,
Like we are going to be completely blindfolded while doing each other's makeup. So that's going to be a quite troublesome situation for us. So yeah, I will not blabber much. Without any more blabbering, let's just start the video, and I hope you all will enjoy seeing our ugly ghost faces after the entire makeup. So let's begin. So we're just blindfolding. I'm going to do our makeup first in a blindfolded way. I literally cannot see anything. You can
it fine?
test. Yes, just make it a bit tighter.
How many fingers can you see here?
I can't see anything.
Any guess?
2.
Okay, so she cannot see anything. So now I guess you can start my makeup.
Okay, so just start giving me the products. I cannot see anything.
Man, I'm dead.
Did it come out? Yeah. This is the foundation I have given her, which is like matte foundation. Please give me the blender. Yeah. आज मेरा मुंह का भरता बनने वाला है. प्लीज मुझे माफ कर देना इसके लिए. I don't know ये मेकअप कैसे दिखने वाला है. I think we blended it and you can see what. Okay, let's go to something else. Concealer. Yeah. There you go. Please do not judge my makeup skills. Yeah. And my brother is also irritating me at the background, so ignore his voice too. And I think I have blended something. I have done. Yeah. I need the compact. I will show you. I need the compact. Yeah. This is it. Okay, I think we're done with the compact. Now I'll apply some eyeshadow. So give me one eyeshadow palette. So I'm using the Rose in the Air Wet n Wild palette as told by her. Sorry, I cannot use a brush since as it is I'm like all blind right now. So I have to use my fingers for the application of the eyeshadow. I don't even know what colors I'm using. Is it visible? Yeah. I think it has gone with my skin tone. Or else we can do a bit darker. Even though I don't know like what am I actually applying. मेरी आँख नहीं देख रहे. Okay. Yeah. Now also it's I hope everybody could see that. Can see that. Okay. Next, Kajal. Yeah, sure. I'm extremely sorry for this. This is going to be very scary. I will be able to do her makeup only if my eyes are left after she has applied the kajal. हाय मेरी आँख खराब ना हो जाए आज. Okay. I think I have made a wing. She has made a wing. Wow, with the kajal. Am I looking beautiful? Yeah. Okay, now let's go for the actual kajal. Will you put it inside my Anything? Lipstick. Yes, shall I do the lipstick? Yeah. Which shade shall I put? Something pretty. And let me put the red one. Let's see. Take this. It is some Eva. It's Eva Cosmetics lipstick. Okay. Light up to the people. Yeah, so I applied the lipstick. कोई मुझसे डरना मत. Now at last we're going to apply the blush and the highlighter. I think that's पक्का what is lips? Yeah. The blush and the highlighter. So yeah. Anything else? The highlighter. Highlighter. You want to put the liquid one or the whatever you want to apply? So put the. Guys, you can already hear comments. Okay. So. Do you want to see your masterpiece? Are you ready? Sure. I am opening. Let's see. Just see your masterpiece. I am literally like looking like a bhootni. I don't know. I have applied everything. I think quite well. Like, what do you guys feel?
So I think I've applied her makeup quite well. Yeah, blindfolded. फिर भी ठीक ही है. Lipstick also I've applied quite well. The only thing I think was this kajal that was extremely difficult. Like I'm not being biased about myself, not at all. But ये बहुत ज़्यादा difficult था. Like being very honest. So
काश मैं खुद से मेकअप कर पाती.
So now she's going to do the same for me. So now you're going to have a nice view of two ghosts sitting beside each other. So yeah, let's begin with that too. Now I'm going to tie up this and we're going to see how she does my makeup. I'm getting ready.
Oh
So should
God.
you all.
This is so scary.
Right?
Now I can actually feel what she was going through. Oh Lord, help
So
me.
let's begin. Can you see anything?
Nothing.
Nothing. Okay, fine. Then we can begin with our makeup. So first, I'm giving you this foundation. Please take the foundation. I've opened it for you.
Thank you. I don't know how much I'm taking out.
It has
Is
to
it
come
out?
out. But I'll just take out the. Yeah, it's out.
Okay. So your
So
face.
she's taken the foundation and she'll apply it. Where's the blender? Okay.
Oh Lord, it's very difficult, guys. Literally, like it's all like what you can feel. Where's your nose?
Don't put foundation on my head.
I don't know if I applied it
Yeah,
everywhere
I think
or
you
not.
can blend it right now because you're putting the foundation on my hair.
Or give me your founder,
Yes.
this one blender.
Made me tie up my head too. Please begin. Okay, so next. Don't drag. You should buff. I don't know how much it's done. Is it done? My forehead is not blended yet. Okay. You put near my hairline. So please blend that. Okay, I'm not going to help here. It's going to be cheating. Okay, I think this is more or less done. Not that bad. So you apply the concealer. Here it is, the wand. Just apply with the wand, yeah. Okay. Apply it under my eyes and not on my cheek. Oh God, this is so difficult. I hope I don't damage my eyes with the concealer wand. यार इतना कुछ कर रही हूँ, व्यूज तो दे देना अभी प्लीज यार, व्यूज दे देना, अदरवाइज घर जाके सब्सक्राइब करके आऊंगी पक्का। और क्या, I don't know what I'm doing. So hello, guys. Okay, I think it's enough. You can just blend it with whatever, like, yeah, I'll give you the blender. पता नहीं ये क्या ब्लेंडिंग है, पर कुछ तो है। Give it a compact to set my face, even though it's not blended. So yeah, this is the compact. You can set my face with the compact. So difficult, my God, this is. मैं भूत लग रही हूँ, मुझे पता है। I'm avoiding looking myself into the mirror actually. So yeah, she has done my base. Okay, ठीक है, fine. Now, please do my eyeshadow. She's going to use the same Rose in the Air eyeshadow palette, the one she used. The one I used for her. So yeah. कौन सा शेड लूँ, कुछ तो दिख नहीं रहा, क्या करूँ? जो भी हो, stick it in. क्या is the okay? पता नहीं क्या होगा। अच्छा, guys ये दिख नहीं रहा है। मेरा फॉल्ट नहीं है, ये शेड इसने वाइट लिया है। और वाइट शेड है तो मैं शेड चेंज कर लेती हूँ। अच्छा, अब इसने शिमरी शेड लिया है, ओके? वो मैं बोलूँगी नहीं, सॉरी। हाँ बहन, मेरा नाक में शैडो लगा दो अब। Okay, so can you all see the shimmer? Even I can't see. Even I can't see the shimmer. और लगा देती हूँ, रुक जाओ. And this is the white shimmer, by the way. I'm going again the white shade. Now this is a complete white shade she has taken. Where I am putting? Okay, I think we're going to stop here because anyway the eyeshadow nothing is visible. So we're going to stop here and we're going to move into the most difficult step, that is the take the kajal. Start over, please. Eyes का बदला मत लेना. I really think this is the most difficult part. I don't know what will I do. Please ज़्यादा पिंक करने की कोशिश मत करना बहन. क्या करूँ मैं? क्या करूँ? इसके तो आए भी समझ में नहीं आ रही कौन सी. I think it's done. अच्छा I think it's done. दूसरे आँख में करने दे बहन. अच्छा. Guys, एक सच्ची बात बताऊँ, even if I'm not blindfold, it's like difficult for me to put काजल और eyeliner on anybody. अब तो blindfold हूँ, अब कैसे करूँ? But कोई बात नहीं, challenge करना पड़ेगा. Okay. So what a beautiful wing have I got? What a beautiful wing. Even my brother is commenting. Say hi, Swan. Hi. Hi. Say hi. Okay. So we are going to go in with the lipstick. So let's go in with this pink shade. This lipstick is from Mumuso and we're going to go in with this. Okay. Oh God. अपने लिप्स एकदम बंद कर दो. मैं कहाँ जाऊँ? पापा के साथ भागते जाऊँ मेरे को टाइम. I think it's done. Okay. So this is the lipstick which she has applied for. दूटा भूत हो गया है. You can already hear the comment. दूटा भूत हो गया है. That means both of us has turned into two ghosts. So I want to see you. Like I am going to unfold her. Like oh God, her stall. Oh God. अब हम बन गए दो ghosts. Okay. Please don't judge our makeup skills. At least mine. Please don't. But yeah, बहुत difficult है. You can see the wing liners going like पता नहीं किसका. बोल भी नहीं सकती अभी कुछ इसमें. कुछ नहीं बोल सकती हूँ मैं. Did you like my makeup? What have I done? I think I have made a wing this side. Yes. The wing had to go here, but it has gone there. ठीक है, चलता है कभी कभी. लिपस्टिक तो पूरे मतलब पूरे लिप्स में लगे ही नहीं है लिपस्टिक्स. वाओ, सो नाइस. सी, लगे ही नहीं है पूरे लिप्स में. और इसके तो पता नहीं इतने बड़े बड़े पाउच बना दिए मैंने. देखो जस्ट.
And talking about her wings, you guys can see, बनाए तो मैंने सही डायरेक्शन में है,
हाँ.
पर पता नहीं वो क्रीज में चला गया है. Like the wing liner is on top of the crease. So very sorry for I'm very sorry to you actually for ruining your entire face.
खराब कर
But
दिया है.
it was for the sake of this video. So